Finally, the wait is over. This is the all-new iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful and feature-packed iPhone ever. Let's unbox it and dive into what makes this phone a true beast in 2025. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the refined titanium design. Lighter, stronger, and sleek as ever. Apple has pushed its craftsmanship to the next level. The camera system now features a quad-lens setup with a 48mm main sensor, enhanced telephoto, ultra-wide, and the all-new AI portrait mode. Night shots? Just wait till you see them. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display is the largest on any iPhone. Brighter, smoother, and with Promotion 2.0, everything from scrolling to gaming feels ultra-fluid. Powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, this phone smashes through everything. Whether you're gaming or editing 4K videos, the iPhone 16 Pro Max stays cool and lightning fast. And here's what's new: Apple Intelligence. Yes, AI is fully baked into iOS 19. It can now summarize calls, create smart replies, and even edit photos automatically. Battery life? Massive upgrade. Thanks to the efficient chip and software, you can now expect up to 30 hours of screen time on a single charge. Compared to last year's 15 Pro Max, the 16 Pro Max has slimmer bezels, better cameras, smarter features, and a more durable body. It's a solid leap forward. Starting at $199, the iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't cheap. But if you're looking for the best iPhone experience money can buy, this is it. So is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the hype? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic tech reviews. This is Mobiles Talk. Thanks for watching.